I'm Randy Vance. In an earlier segment of Sound Advice, we discussed changing your source unit so that you could get more modern features like Bluetooth connectivity and USB access. But chances are, if your old system didn't have it, your old speakers are going to be out of whack as well, and you're looking at an upgrade there. When you go to select your speakers, you got to be aware of your expectations. Now, most 20-foot boats on a 200-watt stereo output can run 4 speakers and give you adequate sound. But if you expect it to run that sound above the engine noise, you're probably going to need an amplifier. On a larger boat, say a boat with a bow rider, you're probably going to want a 2-zone system so that you can individually adjust the bow area speakers. You may also have a cuddy and you want to adjust those speakers as well. That's where a system like the KMC5 comes in great. That can run 6 speakers in 2 zones on its internal 240 watts. Now, if you really want to get the attention of your friends with your music, you're probably going to need to add a subwoofer, and then you're going to need an amplifier. We're going to talk about those in other segments. But for right now, let's talk about operating with the KM654 speakers. This is the most popular speaker size in the marine industry right now. This coaxial speaker set comes with both a gunmetal grill and a white grill. And they're used in combination with larger and smaller speakers on larger boats. But for most runabouts, they're going to be ideal. Now, if you really want to impress your friends, I'm going to suggest you go with LED speakers, which these happen to be. That's the L in the KM654L. Now, with them and this $50 controller from Kicker, you can control the colors and choose any color that you like, or you can have it cycle through the colors randomly. Now, if you want to add even more LED pizzazz, Kicker has these rings, and you mount them directly behind the speakers. They have their own watertight gasket to meet up with the speaker and the bulkhead you mount them to, so everything stays watertight. And they also will respond to the Kicker LED controller. New speakers are probably going to be the best way to upgrade the sound in your boat, and I'm Randy Vance with Sound Advice.